Hi everyone, today's headlines. NDPP High Power Committee and NFHRCC visit Foothill Road construction site. Minister Jacob Zimomi commissioned augmentation of water supply to 5 villages. DC Tuensang imposes model code of conduct for 51 Nokseng by-election. Sawmill gutted at 7th Mile Dimapur. DENSU condemns the inhuman act upon a minor girl at Parazizi, Kohima. Niskal portable and micro-scale labs launched at Ruzikri GHSS. India records highest case count in 102 days. IMFL worth over Rs 41 lakh destroyed. News in details. NDPP High Power Committee and NFHRCC visit Foothill Road construction site. A high power committee of the Nationalist Democratic People's Party along with Nagaland Foothill Road Coordination Committee and the official of the concerned department led by the Executive Engineer Dimapur Division visited the ongoing construction site of the Doyang Bridge, Foothill Road on Tuesday, March 16, 2021. The NDPP media cell informed that the visiting team had a detailed deliberation on the status of the ongoing project with special reference to the Doyang Bridge and found out that the whole road cutting is almost completed except for 2 stretches, one at Tizit area and another at Newland area, and the bridge was also found to have completed up to 70%. Minister Jacob Zimomi commissioned augmentation of water supply to 5 villages. Minister of Public Health Engineering Jacob Zimomi on Tuesday formally commissioned the augmentation of water supply to 5 villages in Jepugong range at Yazang C village in the presence of Minister of Technical Education and Tribal Affairs Temjin Imna Along and advisor Kazeto Kinimi, Chief Engineer PhED Repa Yangba Longkumar and representative from 5 village councils. The minister, while lauding all those involved for the successful completion of the project, apprised the gathering that the central government is committed to providing safe and adequate water supply through individual household tap connection or easily accessible public fountain in all villages of the state in phased manner. DC Tuensang imposes model code of conduct for 51 Nokseng by-election. The Deputy Commissioner of Tuensang, Kumar Ramnikant IAS yesterday informed that the model code of conduct comes into force with immediate effect throughout Tuensang district after the announcement from the Election Commission of India on the by-election to the vacancy in the 51 Nokseng Assembly constituency in Tuensang district, Nagaland on March 16, 2021. The by-election is scheduled to be held on April 17, 2021 Saturday and the counting will take place on May 2, 2021. The DC further said that all political parties intending candidates, government or department establishment and general public are informed to take note of the same and adhere strictly to the model code of conduct and extend cooperation to the district election machinery to ensure peaceful conduct of the said by-election. Sawmill gutted at 7th Mile Dimapur. The Fire and Emergency Services informed that one sawmill along with machinery, furniture, lock, generator and heat chamber were gutted by fire and property worth Rs 25 lakh approximately was lost in the inferno yesterday, March 17, 2021. The RO Kenny King said that a fire call was received at 2:21 am on Tuesday, March 17, 2021 from 7th Mile near Ashok Leyland Showroom, Dimapur. Accordingly, Fire and Emergency Services team from Fire Station Chimukuduma, Fire Station Dimapur and Fire Station Dimapur West proceeded to control the fire and 6 fire tenders along with sufficient equipments and fire personnel were pressed into action. DENSU condemns the inhuman act upon a minor girl at Parazizi, Kohima. Dimapur Eastern Nagaland Students Union condemned the inhuman act done upon a minor girl by Mr. Matsung Lemba and Mrs. Hojeli at Parazizi Colony, Kohima. The union in a condemnation letter stated that such an evil act committed upon a 5-year-old girl child is intolerable and beyond one's imagination and the same should be condemned by all. Skills Portable and Micro Scale Labs launched at Ruzikri GHSS. Directorate of School Education launched Skills Portable and Micro Scale Labs at Ruzikri Government Higher Secondary School, Kohima on Tuesday, March 16, 2021. Speaking at the program, Advisor School Education KT Zugalu IAS retired said that the newly installed lab will be of great help to the students of the school. He remarked that maths and science have been a big challenge for many students and hopes that the lab will not only simplify the process of learning maths but will make it more interesting too. India records highest case count in 102 days. India recorded the highest number of coronavirus cases in 102 days as it registered 35,886 new cases on Wednesday, even as Maharashtra continues to be the worst affected state with 64% of the daily caseload in the country. As many as 23,179 new cases were recorded in Maharashtra alone, the highest from September 17 when the cases were 24,619. The state registered a 30% increase in cases than Tuesday, pushing the total caseload to 23,70,507. IMFL worth over rupees 41 lakhs destroyed. Altogether, 19,418 bottles of ceased assorted Indian-made foreign liquor worth rupees 41,25,700 were destroyed at Excise Directorate here on Wednesday. In this connection, a total of 103 cases were registered while rupees 1,97,000 was realized as fine. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.